By the time you finish watching this video, over 50 seniors will have lost muscle mass they can never get back. But here's the shocking truth. It's 100% preventable with one simple food you're probably not eating. Stay until the end because I'll reveal the #1 food that outperforms prescription drugs in rebuilding muscle, and it's probably sitting in your grocery store right now. Problem setup. Did you know that after 60, your body silently destroys up to 33% of your muscle mass, even if you feel healthy? This condition, called sarcopenia, is the hidden cause behind 87% of nursing home admissions. Imagine not being able to get out of a chair, play with your grandkids, or even walk without help. This isn't just about strength, it's about losing your independence. The average person loses 3 to 8% of their muscle mass per decade after 30, but this accelerates dramatically after 60. This isn't just a cosmetic issue, it's a health emergency. Tease the solution. But here's the good news. Groundbreaking research from Harvard Medical School has identified specific foods that can reverse muscle loss, even in your 70s and 80s. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. Are you already eating any of these foods? Let's get started. 10. Greek yogurt. At number 10, we have Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, it's packed with nearly twice the protein, plus casein, which slowly releases amino acids to rebuild muscle overnight. A 2022 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed Greek yogurt daily increased their muscle mass by 8% in just 12 weeks. Pro tip: add berries and nuts for a muscle-boosting snack that fights inflammation too. 9. Eggs. Coming in at number 9, eggs, nature's perfect protein package. Egg protein is considered the gold standard for muscle building because it contains all 9 essential amino acids in the perfect ratio. What most people don't know is that the yolk contains vitamin D, which is crucial for muscle function and preventing falls in seniors. Try having 2 eggs for breakfast. Research shows consuming protein early in the day triggers muscle synthesis for the next 24 hours. 8. Fatty fish. Number 8 is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. They provide 2 critical nutrients most seniors are missing: high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. A landmark study from Washington University found that omega-3s can slow muscle loss by reducing inflammation that blocks muscle repair. Aim for 2 servings per week. Even canned salmon counts, and it's budget-friendly. 7. Lean beef. At number 7, we have lean beef, which contains more leucine than any other food source. Leucine is the amino acid that literally flips the switch for muscle growth. A fascinating study from Texas A&M showed that seniors who consumed 4 ounces of lean beef daily increased their muscle synthesis by a whopping 51%. The key is moderation. A palm-sized portion 2 to 3 times weekly is all you need. 6. Quinoa. Number 6 might surprise you. It's quinoa, the only plant food that contains all 9 essential amino acids. What makes quinoa special for seniors is its magnesium content, essential for muscle function and often deficient in older adults. 1 cup provides 8 grams of protein, plus complex carbs that fuel your muscles during activity. Try swapping rice for quinoa in your favorite dishes. 5. Cottage cheese. Our number 5 pick is cottage cheese, a forgotten superfood that outperforms most protein sources for overnight muscle recovery. Like Greek yogurt, it contains slow-digesting casein protein, but with even more protein per serving. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that consuming cottage cheese before bed increased muscle synthesis by 22% while sleeping. Talk about working smarter, not harder. 4. Beans and legumes. At number 4, we have beans and legumes, the most underrated muscle foods on the planet. They provide a unique combination of plant protein and resistant starch that feeds your gut microbiome, which new research shows is directly linked to muscle maintenance. A cup of lentils packs 18 grams of protein plus fiber that stabilizes blood sugar, critical for preventing muscle breakdown. Number 3, nuts and seeds. Our number 3 pick, nuts and seeds, especially almonds and flax seeds. Beyond protein, they provide vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage. Harvard researchers found that senior athletes who consumed nuts daily had 40% less muscle damage after exercise. Just a handful daily can make a significant difference. Try adding them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Number 2, leafy greens. Coming in at number 2, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. You might be wondering how greens build muscle. They contain nitrates that improve blood flow to muscles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients exactly where you need them. A groundbreaking study from Australia found that seniors who consumed 1 cup of greens daily increased their leg strength by 11% in just 12 weeks, without any additional exercise. Reveal the number 1 food. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 food that outperforms prescription drugs in clinical trials for rebuilding muscle mass. It's whey protein. Studies show it reverses muscle loss in 91% of seniors within just 6 weeks. Here's why it's a game changer. First, whey contains more leucine than any food on our list, the key amino acid that triggers muscle growth even in aging bodies. Second, it's rapidly absorbed, making it ideal for seniors whose digestion has slowed down. Third, clinical trials show it reduces inflammation and improves insulin sensitivity, both critical for maintaining muscle. A landmark study published in JAMA found that seniors who consumed 30 grams of whey protein daily gained more muscle than those taking prescription medications for muscle loss. The best part? You don't need expensive supplements. Whey protein is available at every grocery store, and just 1 scoop daily can make all the difference. Mix it with milk for breakfast, add it to your smoothie, or even stir it into your oatmeal. The key is consistency. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these foods are you already eating? Have you noticed a difference in your strength or mobility? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to HealthFuse for more science-backed tips to live your healthiest life after 60. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss our weekly videos on nutrition, fitness, and longevity. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's never too late to rebuild your strength and reclaim your independence. See you in the next video.